Hi, good afternoon. And today I will wax my this particular Ritz car. Since the car is very old, I won't go for any paint correction since the paint is not in that good shape. So I will just wax the car, and this will be an give you an idea how to wax your car, especially an old car, so that it will give the car paint some protection and also it will give you a glossier look. So let's start the process. So before starting the process, I will dust off the entire car with the help of this Jopasu duster, and after that I will start with one panel at a time. I will clean each panel with shampoo water, and then I will apply the wax and buff it off. So let's start the process. So I will start from the roof and then gradually move to the bonnet area and finally the entire body of the car. So I have applied shampoo water to the roof and I will clean all the debris that is there in the car. For this I am using a microfiber cloth, and those who are interested in purchasing this cloth, I will give you the links. For this I will use turtle wax, original hard shell paste wax, and this is the traditional wax that was available first through Turtle Wax, and it's of very good quality. I purchased it long time before, but I have some remaining left, so I will try this wax in this particular car and I will see what are the results. So let me start one panel at a time. For buffing purpose, always use special microfiber cloths, and if you find the cloth has become sticky, replace the cloth with another one. Similarly the other side.
মারুতির বডি আর অ্যালট্রোজের বডি কি ডিফারেন্স?
So the other part of the roof. Now we'll go to the bonnet area. Now we'll start with the bonnet area. Again the same process, applying shampoo water and clean the bonnet area free from dirt and debris, and after that we'll apply the wax. Okay, it has been cleaned now. Now let me apply the wax. Always apply the wax in circular motion. Don't apply too much, otherwise it will be difficult for you to buff. And always my advice is to apply this in shaded area, when don't apply it in sunlight, otherwise it will stick to the surface and it will be very difficult for you to buff off. First apply it with the help of an applicator sponge. So the bonnet area has been completed and you can easily see the gloss and shine it's given. Now I will go to the other panels. The bonnet has been completed. Now we'll go to the driver's side door. Normally polishing job consumes good amount of time, so you should have ample time to spare. Otherwise the results will not be that good. So now we'll going to the fenders, right side fenders. Now buff the area. If your paint is too old and you find there is lot of imperfections, I won't suggest you go for paint correction, because that will be a useless attempt, as the paint may further deteriorate. So in order to give it a protection and good shine, waxing is more than enough and it will give it a much better look. So I won't recommend paint correction for a car which is this much of old and where there are lot of imperfections. So it's best to apply wax and buff it off. তো আমরা সহজেই ওয়াক্সিং করতে পারি বাড়িতেই। আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন যে যে কোনো পুরনো গাড়িতেই আপনারা বাড়িতে এইভাবে ওয়াক্স করতে পারেন, এবং পুরনো গাড়িতে পেইন্ট কারেকশন প্রসেসটা না গেলেই ভালো হয়, কারণ পেইন্টটা যদি খারাপ কন্ডিশনে থাকে তো তলা দিয়ে নিচের থেকে যে পুরনো পেইন্টটা আরও ফুটে উঠবে। তো এই রকম পরিস্থিতিতে সবথেকে ভালো হচ্ছে ওয়াক্স করে সেটাকে বাফ করে দেওয়া। তাহলে কি হয়, গ্লসি ব্যাপারটাও চলে এলো, পেইন্ট প্রোটেকশনটাও আপনার থাকলো। তো এটাই আমি রেকমেন্ড করি যারা পুরনো গাড়িতে একটু গ্লসি এফেক্ট আনতে চান। আর এর জন্য কোনো ভালো ওয়াক্স ব্যবহার করলেই আপনার যথেষ্ট, প্রোটেকশনটাও পাবেন। এই ধরনের গাড়িতে সেরামিক বা এইগুলো করার কোনো মানেই হয় না। আস্তে আস্তে দেখতেই পাচ্ছেন ওয়াক্সটা আমরা তুলে দিচ্ছি বাফ করে, এবং গ্লসটা চলে আসছে। Now let me apply the black areas so it blends with the polish perfectly. Here I am using an tire polish for these black areas, as tire polish serves very well and lasts longer than normal all-purpose polishes. So I am applying this black tire polish. So this is the tire dresser that I am using, and with the help of this I will apply all the black areas. So I am applying with this tire polish to all the black areas so that it gives you a fresh, nice black wet look. Actually, since these are a plastic, the color fades as it is exposed to direct sunlight and heat. So that's the reason it loses its luster, as the oils remains in this particular plastics gets withered away. So you need to apply this type of black polishes that remain for longer time. The door moldings, okay. Even an old car like this looks much fresh after you are waxing and polishing. So if you like to keep your car looking like new, I will always recommend to go for waxing and polishing at regular intervals. If you are running a lot, you may require every 2 to 3 months, and if your car runs less, once in 4 to 6 months is more than enough. Now let us apply some tire polish. So finally we have waxed the entire car, then applied tire polish and applied polishes to all black areas. So the waxing job is complete, and you can easily see the shine of the car. Even without paint correction, the car looks much glossier and gives it a fresh, wet look. And hope you have liked this video, and if you like to do this process at home, it's quite simple and you can follow the ways that I have showed you in this video. And this is how you can easily wax your car and keep it like new. If you have liked the video, please do share and subscribe my channel, and for more videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye.